Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a declaration letter. What is a declaration letter? A declaration letter is a formal document used if an individual wants to declare ownership of something for identification purposes. It is mainly used in loan applications, identity verification, ownership verification, or even in immigration. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a declaration letter for traffic tickets step by step. Check this out. First of all, you may not know to whom you address this letter. So, just write to whom it may concern. Yes, you will give the letter to the court or police or other authorities who handle your case. And since this is about a declaration letter for a traffic ticket, you must mention the citation number. Write the number carefully and make sure it is correct. And write also the vehicle code. Mention the section as well. Yes, different country has different format for this. Just follow it. Under it, write the date of the court. You need to write the month, date, year. In this example is September 30th, 2023. And now, write the subject of the letter. You can simply write request for trial by written declaration. In the first paragraph, write what kind of case that you face. In this example, the writer has a traffic ticket for speeding. Yes, you can focus on the type of the case that you face. Write I am writing to contest a traffic ticket received for speeding. And mention where the ticket was given. You can mention the name of the street or highway or so on. In this example, the police gave the ticket Lane Texas Freeway. And mention when. You can mention the date you have written above. The second sentence, write why you got the ticket from the police. For traffic ticket with charge of speed, you can simply write officers who pulled me over allege that I was driving over the speed limit. And mention your speed at that time, and mention the speed limit on that road. Yes, you must write all details in this first paragraph. In the second paragraph, this is where you can defend yourself. If you believe you break the speed limit, admit it. But don't directly admit it. This will be useless for you to write this letter then. Here, you need to convince the recipient that you did it on good purpose. You can simply write, ordinarily, I would never break the speed limit. And here is the place where you give a reason why you did break the speed limit in fact. In this example, the writer did to save his or her life, and biker's lives. So, the writer told the recipient that he or she felt if he or she didn't do it, his or her life, along with bikers' lives would have been in danger. And now, tell more about the big picture of the chronology or the main reason why you finally break the speed limit. So here, the writer explains more. The writer was sandwiched between several other vehicles. And the vehicles are two large trucks behind the writer. And several cars ahead. In short, you can say that you did it because of urgency of the situation. You really need to tell the big picture of what the real moment happened clearly. In the third paragraph, you can write the troublemaker of this case without blaming them. Yes, just do it smoothly or implicitly. Here, the writer picks the driver of a vehicle code 22400. In this case, the writer quoted what he said on the bikers at that time. He said that bikers should not drive upon a highway at such slow speed as to impede, or block the normal and reasonable movement of traffic. You should tell the real story, not make up it. Just state what happened in real life, not in your imagination. After that, tell the details about the chronology of that incident. So, the writer told the recipient that he or she believes that the vehicle behind were traveling above the speed. And because of this, the situation forced the writer to do so. Yes, write what would have happened if you didn't do it. Here, the writer said that slowing down on such a busy day could have quite possibly caused a pile-up. And now, mention about the officers who gave you the ticket. The writer convinced the recipient that despite the fact that the writer could have been going no faster than the cars ahead, nor any slower the vehicles behind, officers decided to flag down the whole line. And the officers pick the writer out of the bunch to charge with speeding. In this case, the writer feels this is so unfair. And you must show how unfair it is. Convince the recipient by telling the truth. By telling the details of the real story, of course. In the 5th paragraph, convince the recipient that evidence of this should be included on the police dash cam. Yes, you must be confident if you really tell the truth and believe you do something for good purpose. In the 6th paragraph, write your hope. You can simply write, in light of this, I respectfully request that the speeding ticket be thrown out. Yes, just mention your case here based on your situation. And close the letter with your declaration. Write, I declare under penalty and perjury that the foregoing is true and correct. It means, if you told lies, you can be charged with other case. Therefore, you must pay attention to this and be careful. Finally, add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a declaration letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, good luck, and see you.